Hi everyone, welcome to YR Digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about a Python program, pattern programs. Pattern program to print to a square format stars in a pattern. To print a square stars in pattern. Square star in pattern. That means print the stars in a given pattern. In a given pattern. For example, print the stars in square format. So this is a star value and star value, star value, and star value. Print the particular pattern, square pattern. The pattern is square pattern. Square pattern means number of rows and number of columns must be equal. Square pattern means the number of rows and number of columns must be equal. Square pattern means square pattern means means to print the stars, Okay. Here the number of rows and columns, number of rows and columns must be equal. The number of rows and columns must be equal. That means equal number of rows and equal number of columns. That means to enter the any side, either row side or column side, either row side or column side, print the value. Okay, now here write the logic. The logic is print the logic. The logic is print the logic. The logic is so now enter the any square, any side of the value, some side value equal to okay, input of enter. Okay, please enter any side of a square, any side of a square. Okay. After entering, print the values in particular row. What's the row? For I in range of side. Okay. For j in range of side value. Okay. Any side, either row and both columns, are both are same equal. Now the print of one star value, and after printing, one blank space is required. To print here the star value. After star value, one blank space is required. And first row completing. After first row completing, and go to the new line. After completing the first row, go to the new line. The new line is the print statement. We are using this is a completely logic system. Now here we are using for loops. Two for loop. This for loop is called as a outer for loop. This for loop is called inner for loop. First outer for loop, the I value equal to starting value 0 to up to side. J value is 0 to up to side value. Up to the side value. Here the side value. For example here. So this is a side value. The side value. Okay. And I value and J value. These are the values. I and J values. Here these are the side values. Okay. These are the side values. Here I and J values. Okay. I and J values. Clear the side values. I and J values. Clear. So now the initially side value is, for example, 4. Assume that 4. I value is 0 and J value also 0. This for loop, this outer for loop is executed 0, 1, 2, okay, 3. 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 times, up to 4 times. So the inner for loop also executed 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the first time I value is 0. Okay, and J value also 0. So now the print of star. Now the output is print star. After printing star, one blank space. Here one blank space, cursor go to the next. Again the for loop go to inner for loop. The control is transferred to inner for loop. Next the J value equal to 1. Print J value equal to 1. Print star. Now here the star value is printed. Okay, clear. Again the control goes to one blank space. Again go to back. J value equal to 2. Print star value. Okay. Again go to back. J value equal to 3. Print star value. Okay. J loop is completed already. J loop one row is completed. Again the control goes to the next one. Next one is the print. Print means the control is simply go to the new line. Okay. Again the control transfer to outer for loop. Here the outer for loop is I value is 1. Here the I value is 1. J value 0. I value is 1. I is 1. J is 0. Print star. Again the next time J value 1. I value 1, J value 1, print star. J value 2 and print star. J value 3, print star. Okay, again the counter go to the outer loop. Now here I value equal to 2. I equal to 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. I value 2, J value 0, 1, 2, 3, print like this star value and the star value and star value. Again the control goes to back. I value next time is 3. I is 3. Okay, similarly I is equal to 3. J is 0, 1, 2, 3. Print the star value star, 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 star. Print the star value. Again go to back for loop. I is 4. That means no need of no other values in the for loop. Our range is completed. Okay. Again the converter starts to after the outer while loop. That is the end of the for loop. Okay, guys. Up to here, clear all of you. Now run this program. Okay. Now run this program. And okay, enter. So run the script. Enter the number of rows. How many rows? How many rows you are in? Please enter the any side of the okay square. For example, we are entering into the 6. Now here print the values of 6 rows and 6 columns. First row 6 columns. Second row 6 columns. Third row. So this is a square value to print the stars in square pattern. To print the stars in square pattern. The pattern is square pattern. If you want to execute the same program run using nested for loops or same as a nested while loop. This program is using for loop. We want to run the same programming using while loop also is it possible. Using while loop also is possible. Using while loop. Using while loop is it possible using while loop. Now run clear. While loop is also possible. For example, using while loop, using nested while loops. Okay, using while loops. Okay, same program we are using either for loop or while loop. Here I value equal to 1. Okay, initialize value while I less than or equal to side. Okay, and immediately J value equal to assume that J equal to 1 while J is less than or equal to side. Print of stars, print and one star value, okay, comma and equal to 1 blank space. Okay, here print the value on blank space. Again, J value increasing by 1, J equal to J plus 1. Again, I equal to I plus 1, and the control goes to the new line after completing. Here, please observe the indentation is also. These two statements belongs to inner for loop only. Print star value and J value increasing by these two statements are belongs to inner for loop, and all these 4 statements. One is a J equal to 1 statement, while statement, I equal to I plus 1, print value. These 4 statements are belongs to outer while loop. Immediately run the program. Without this one, the loop is executed infinitely. That's why you are every time increasing the value. So enter any side of the value. For example, we are assuming that 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, print the stars in a square pattern, either using for loop or using while loop. But the for loop is simple because the range value is starting value 0, ending value is side value. Okay, guys, up to here, clear all of you, right? Have a nice day. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.